2007 fx4 crew cab f150. It's got the 5.4 liter Triton motor. Truck is very clean, Florida rust-free truck with Florida miles, Florida highway miles. This truck mechanically is sound, can be driven anywhere with confidence. It's got a lift kit, about 4-inch lift kit, nice wheels and tires. You want to buy this truck, pick up the phone and give me a call right now at 954-937-8271. 954-937-8271. We specialize in 4x4 vehicles, gas and diesel trucks. If you're looking for a truck, visit our website, bigboydiesels.com, bigboydiesels.com. This truck mechanically is sound, and I can ship this right to your doorstep. Pick up the phone and give me a call at 954-937-8271. Interior is in great shape of this truck, barely anywhere. Shortly we'll take it for a test drive. Very clean truck, as you can see. You want to buy this truck, pick up the phone and call me right now at 954-937-8271. As you can see, there's no check engine light on or anything like that. Truck runs out perfect. Shipping is available in most of the states, $400 to $500. Pick up the phone, give me a call right now. I'll give you a quote on shipping and we can make the deal right now. We do end auctions early, so don't wait, because it will most likely be sold. It's a 4x4 truck. It'll get you out of any snowstorm. Leather interior loaded, guys. CD player. Florida highway miles. Mechanically sound. Ice cold air and heat. Call me right now, 954-937-8271 to buy this truck. Shipping is available to your doorstep. My name is Alex. Thank you for looking.